Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a voice assistant on your phone, but a creative partner at your fingertips. That world just arrived with the launch of Meta AI. This isn't your average software, it's a game changer. Today's video is your crash course in using Meta AI's mind-blowing capabilities. We'll crack the code on everything from generating stunning images to crafting captivating text. Firstly, let's address accessibility. If you're based in the UK or anywhere in the EU, accessing Meta AI might not be straightforward due to geographical restrictions. However, you can bypass this limitation by using a VPN. Meta AI offers users the option to either log in or proceed without signing in. Choosing to log in allows you to save conversations for future reference, ensuring that you can revisit important discussions or insights whenever you need them. However, if you prefer not to log in, you'll miss out on certain features, such as image generation. Now let's talk about image generation. Meta AI possesses an impressive capability to generate high-quality images in real time. This feature is particularly great for those who lack expertise in graphic design, as the software effortlessly handles the entire process. Whether you need visual content for a presentation, social media post, or personal project, Meta AI has you covered. Moreover, the ease and efficiency with which Meta AI produces images gives you a seamless user experience. Besides creating great images, Meta AI is also really good at understanding human language. It's like having a smart conversation with a friend. Whether you're asking questions, looking for info, or just chatting, Meta AI responds quickly and accurately. This makes talking to it feel easy and natural. Its clever language skills help make it a super useful AI assistant, helping you get things done faster and better. Plus, Meta AI works smoothly with lots of different apps and services. Whether you're on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or Messenger, Meta AI is right there in the search box. This means you can use it wherever you are without any hassle. Whether you're chatting with friends, scrolling through social media, or sending messages, Meta AI is always ready to help out, giving you useful tips and advice whenever you need them. But the capabilities don't stop there. Meta AI also offers animation creation, perfect for enhancing presentations or social media content. What's more, this software is constantly evolving, continuously learning and adapting with each interaction. Meta AI's LLAMA 3 model is like a new superstar, beating even the big names like Claude 3 Sonnet. It shows off its excellence in many different tests, proving it's the best out there. Also, Meta's choice to share their models with everyone is a big deal in the tech world. It means more people can use their cool tech, which could lead to new ideas in science and healthcare. By sharing their tech, Meta is giving power to developers and researchers to use their AI for lots of things. And the more people use it, the better this amazing tool gets. It's like teamwork for a brighter future. Now, let's explore its interface. There are essentially two main screens: the New Conversation screen and the Imagine screen. On the New Conversation screen, you'll find 6 mini prompts, each serving as a starting point for various interactions. These prompts cover a range of topics, including ideas, writing, fun, support, learn, and imagine. For instance, if you're seeking inspiration for a blog post, you could select the Writing prompt and type your query. The AI will then generate relevant content, often tailored to human preferences. Additionally, you can interact with the response by indicating whether it meets your satisfaction and even copy the content for further use. It's a user-friendly way to spark creativity and access valuable information. Moving on to the amazing Imagine screen in Meta AI, a place where you can ask anything you want and get answers. You could get curious about something like artificial general intelligence, AGI. With Meta AI, you can just type in your question and see what happens. Meta AI isn't like regular software. It gets its info from real-time sources like Bing, so it's always up to date. Imagine asking Meta AI about AGI, and in no time, it finds the latest articles and resources for you. Plus, each result has clickable links so you can learn more at your own pace. This feature isn't just about giving answers. It's about helping you stay in the know about topics you care about. But that's not all. Meta AI doesn't stick to just one application. No, it's everywhere you need it to be. Whether you're chatting on WhatsApp, scrolling through Instagram, catching up with friends on Facebook, or sending messages on Messenger, Meta AI is right there in the search box. No more jumping between apps or searching all over the place. With Meta AI, everything you need is right at your fingertips. This integration isn't just about making things easier, it's way bigger than that. By putting Meta AI into these popular platforms, Meta has made sure its AI assistant is always there when you need it. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, looking for advice, or just exploring, Meta AI is your go-to buddy, ready to help you out whenever you need it. So, in short, the Imagine screen in Meta AI is like a door to a world of endless possibilities with its real-time info and easy access across different platforms. Meta AI isn't just a tool, it's a friend, guiding you through the digital world with ease. So let's take a closer look at the real-time information feature of Meta AI. When you ask Meta AI for updates on a topic like AI, it scours the web for the latest news and presents it to you. For example, it might say, "Here are some of the latest news in AI perception, an AI-based tool. Researchers using AI to image the Earth's planetary boundary. Washington blocking the use of AI in Hearts video." You can even click on View Sources to see where the information is coming from. This real-time feature is powered by Bing, Microsoft's web browser, which suggests a partnership between Meta AI and Bing. Keep in mind, though, that Meta AI won't use browsing unless you specifically ask it to. So make sure to prompt it if you want real-time updates. Now, let's talk about text generation. You can ask Meta AI to generate text on various topics, like coding in Python. For example, if you ask it to write me simple code in Python, it might respond with a basic Hello World program. While it may not have advanced coding capabilities yet, it's a handy tool for simple tasks. In the future, with the release of the more powerful 400 billion parameter model, we can expect improvements in coding capabilities. However, it's worth noting that on some platforms like Instagram DMs or WhatsApp, the formatting might not work as well. Also, sometimes Meta AI may not fully answer a coding question, abruptly stopping with a message like, "Sorry, I can't help you with that." This could be due to the AI being cautious, but it's something that might improve over time. If you encounter this issue, try rephrasing your question or asking in a different way to see if it resolves the glitch. Now, let's explore the Imagine feature of Meta AI. With this feature, you can generate images based on your prompts. For example, if you select Visualize a Time Traveler, Meta AI will use its image generation capabilities to create images related to your prompt. Within a short time, you'll be presented with 4 images. However, it's worth noting that the quality of these images can vary. Sometimes the faces in the images might not look quite right. If you come across any images that are distressing or inappropriate, you can report them by clicking the Report Harmful Content button in the top right corner. Additionally, you might notice a watermark in the bottom left corner of the generated images. Currently, there isn't a way to remove this watermark, but it's something to keep in mind. Once you have your generated images, you have a couple of options. At the bottom, there are 2 buttons, Edit and Animate. The Edit button allows you to make changes to the image, but it's important to note that it doesn't always edit the image in the way you might expect. For example, if you ask it to make the car yellow, it might not simply change the color of the existing car. Instead, it might generate an entirely new image based on your request. This functionality might be improved in future updates, but for now, it's something to be aware of. Now, let's talk about the Refresh or Regenerate button. If you don't like the image you generated, just click Regenerate. It takes about 8 to 10 seconds and then you'll get a new image. Sometimes the changes might be subtle, like the color of a car. For example, if you ask for a yellow car and get orange instead, just refresh it and you might get the color you wanted. However, keep in mind that the images might not be exactly the same because the software generates them differently each time. Moving on to the Animate feature, you'll find it next to the Edit button. When you click Animate, the software creates a short animation based on your image. Currently, you can't control the length or style of the animation. It's like a short video, around 6 frames long, and it might not be very smooth. Once the animation is done, you can save it as a video file. Just click Save Video As to do that. Now, about the quality of the video, it might not be as good as the original image, so it's best not to use it for important stuff. But if you want to make a funny GIF or something like that, it could work. Some styles, like the comic book style, might look better in the animation. However, it's still a work in progress. so we can expect improvements in the future. One thing I really like about the animate feature is that it animates all 4 images, not just one. This can be handy if you're trying to quickly create a storyboard or visualize a scene. Overall, while the software is still pretty basic, it has some cool features that could become even better in the future. Hopefully, more people will be able to access it soon. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.